Hey guys, so welcome back to Codeflix, and this is a very basic video in which I'll be showing you how to install Wamp and xampp in our computers. So many people were asking me that what kind of server do you use and what things do you use to host the PHP code which you are showing in your videos. So in this video I'll be showing you that how I downloaded my server, which is Wamp or xampp, and even you can use, but I prefer Wamp, but I'll show you both, and then I'll show you how to set up your Wamp. So let's start with the Wamp server. So just type Wamp and it'll be here. This is the first link, which is vampserver.com, but you can go to advanced and go to vampserver.com. It will take you to the link for Wamp server. You can download the 64 version or 32 bits version from here, or there is one simple trick. Just go to the second link, which is from sourceforge.net, and just go there and download the Wamp server from here. After you download the Wamp server, you will be given an exe file which you can run. For Mac users, obviously it will be different. So just install the Wamp server, just go next, and the Wamp server will be downloaded in your downloaded and installed in your computers. So as you can see, the approx size for the 32-bit is 350 MB, and for the 64 bits it's 500 MBs. So yeah, you have to have same amount of space in your computers, and I'd say that please leave some space more than it is saying, because you'll have your projects hosted which might need space. Then we'll go to the directory in which it's installed. Just go to this PC, and if go to your C drive or the main drive which you have, and when the successful installation is done for Wamp, you'll see a folder. If you have a 64-bit, it will show Wamp 64. If you have a 32-bit, it will show Wamp 32, or just Wamp. Just if it shows the folder named Wamp, you should be fine. And as you can see, the estimated size is 718 MB for me. The size which it showed was 500, but as I said, please keep more space because it will require more space. So we'll open that folder, and when you open the folder, these are the pre-installed things, folders and files which you can later on see. Here's the document of installation. We don't need to read it because it's of no use to us. The thing which will be useful to us is this Wamp Manager application. So we can double click on this, and it will prompt, and we can give yes, and the Wamp will be started in our computers. So as you can see, here is a red icon, which means that no services are running. So there are two services which are shown, none of the service is running. So the two services which are first is Wamp server, and the second one is the PHP SQL server. So these two services need to be running for hosting your PHP application on your computers. So when you click here, just left click and you will see these options. This is the localhost. Open the localhost, but right now none of the servers are working. So I opened it in IE, but if you are using Chrome, just go here, just open a new tab and type localhost slash, and it will open the localhost. Currently the IIS is being hosted here, but you can turn the IIS off and the localhost for the Wamp will be shown here. So this is how you can start the Wamp. Otherwise, just go to the search, try Wamp and press enter. It will give the prompt and you can give yes, and the Wamp server will start. We can go again to the Wamp, and this is the PHP myadmin. This is the www directory. So if you want to go to the www directory, it is here. Just go here, and here this is the directory where all my code is hosted. So we just have to make a new folder here and host our things. So like Codeflix is the folder where I usually put the code for the Codeflix videos, and I use this folder, and this is some other things which I work on. and these are the files. This is the index file which will be seen when you just type localhost slash. This is a PHP file, and these are the pre-installed files which you should not delete. This is the zip folder which I pasted here. So this is my folder, and this is the favicon which also comes with it. And these folders except these two, the ones with the vamp prefix, these are not mine, but the other folders are mine, which I use for my purposes. So yeah, we host all our code in the www folder. Now this is the vamp, and if you wanna download xampp, that's another option. So just download. See, when you just type ZAM, it shows us the alternatives and suggestions. So just download xampp from here, the first link. Download xampp, download the preferred version you want, and it'll start download. It's for Linux, Windows, or Mac OS, anyone which you want. And just click next, next, next after downloading the setup, and you are ready for xampp. And just like you see just like you see vamp here, you'll see a folder called xampp. And when you open the folder, just like the www folder where we host our code, there will be a folder called htxs or root. It will be mostly htxs folder where you will host the code in the xampp. So remember the name htxs for xampp and the www for the vamp. Now, as I was talking about the shortcut, so we can go here, we can go to the Apache. This is the server which helps us hosting the PHP files on our server, local server, the Apache server. This is the PHP, and here is the PHP version. If I want to see any PHP settings, I can go here and control the settings. This is the php.ini file. As I have mentioned in many of the comments in my videos, that this is a very important file, and if you find any errors, you have to update this file. And this is the MariaDB, which is an addition to a database, but mostly I use phpMyAdmin. So just click here, and the phpMyAdmin will be opening, but as you see, there are no services running here, so the phpMyAdmin is not opening. If you have any services stopped, just click start all services, and it should in most cases start all the services in your PHP vamp server. And if you want to stop, just stop here, and if you want to restart all services, just restart it here. I'll make a separate video of why this vamp server, the services are not starting. I'll make a separate video on that, and if you will be facing the problem, you can just remove that when I'll show you that in the next video. Now this is a shortcut for the www directory. This, just go here, left click and click here. It will open the www directory. As I said, this is the same www directory, and here we can host our code. So this is all about vamp, and once the installation is done, just go here, type localhost and slash. That's it, and a page of vamp should display. Currently IIS is being displayed, and that I'll be covering in the next video. Why is it showing that, and how we can display the vamp page here. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel, and please stay tuned for more videos like this. So hope it helps, and thanks for watching.